Today we're going to show you how to get your sneakers this clean. You can see they're all pretty dirty, especially the white part of the sole, that's where we'll focus most. As you can see, they're also dirty all around the top and sides. Alright, the first thing we'll do is grab a good degreaser. We spray it all over the shoes, make sure to cover every area. We're focusing mainly on the soles, apply the degreaser thoroughly. As you can see here, we've done this for all the shoes. We removed the insoles from the ones we could, it's okay if we couldn't from some. Next, we pour in our usual laundry detergent. I chose the Mix program, 30 degrees Celsius, 800 revolutions per minute. Eco-perfect to save money and energy, which we all need, and extra washing mode. And after 1 hour, you can see the shoes have come out perfectly white. I'll show you a bit closer so you can see them all. Look how great they turned out, just like new. And that's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and check out our other videos.